Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, like I say, hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, 306, nuclear, Rastaman, rebel, big up on yourself. Now, I'm gonna jump right into this. Look at the screen in front of you. It's Ainsley Woodburn, aka Shortman, from out of Belfront, Cambridge area. Dangerous boy. Now, look on the screen. Me I tell you the story. What go on with that boy? Cause him escaped last week Saturday. And him a terrorize the people them. A $15 million Jamaican, him pay the police them for escape from jail. And him want it on 6 counts of murder. Want to follow that equation, yeah. So, the youth here, Shortman, otherwise known in real name as Ainsley Woodburn, see him there in front of you. The youth here is a big time scammer. Out of Belfront, Cambridge, St. James. Him have some youth I work around him and nah give the youth them nothing. And have all the youth them a build up him house guy. Yo, him have all a Honda Jeep, him have a Prado, and the boy have a big house for him a build up. Anyways, the man them take $5,000 Huey from him. And from the man them take the $5,000 Huey. The brother here set off a blowout slap with spree, yo. Him kill all him own cousin. Me I tell you no, him kill Fire, Greybeard. Me I show you some people where him kill. But the biggest thing is him pay $15 million to the police them. And them let him go. I wanna not even hear it on the news. Yo, let's move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. It's a Shortman on the left. And that's his cousin, Christopher Frey, who him slap with. Him same cousin a inform on him. You understand? That's to show you how the youth here operate. Let's move along. Now, look at the screen in front of you. This is Orion. And him slap with a youth here in the middle day. You understand? You now follow me? Now, Shortman slap with him cousin. Slap with a youth here in the middle day. Him cousin a middle day. Me I show you how the youth are cool. A peer day killing. A one man him killing at the night about 8 o'clock. And I want youth, one Rasta youth. You understand? Him even kill a youth named Greybeard. A day killing. But look at the screen in front of you. Him kill a youth here, Orion. In the middle day. The screen before. I'm cousin him kill, cause I'm saying cousin inform upon him. Him say, him a wipe out all of the people them car, them know. Say the youth them taking money. You understand? Let's move along. Now, look at the screen in front of you. The youth they name O'Shane Downer. The youth here one I'm victim to. Shortman. Him slap with the youth here in the brawling day. Now, when the thing go down and the man them take with the food from him, cause him have the youth them a scam and them thing there. And man, them take away some food from him. Him go shoot up the youth your mother house. All feed mother have to run me. If you know Belfront is a really small little district, in the lane with them there, about 9 to 10 house there in the lane. And everybody have to run me. All who for family dead and who not dead have to run me. So, O'Shane Downer, I want to next victim. Let's move on. May I show you how the youth here dangerous. Now, remember, on the left side of the screen, short man, Ainsley, Woodward, pay the Jamaican police them 15 million and him escape and not even in the news. This a big exclusive. Him kill the youth here. Let's move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. Another victim. That's Mr. Spencer, a.k.a. Papi Dread. And short man, Ainsley, Killamania. You understand? That's how bad this youth are going. Now, like me say, Jamaica are one of the most dangerous places. Montego Bay, a.k.a. Gangster Bay, are one of the most dangerous places. The youth here, short man, are one of the most dangerous man never seen in a long time come out of Jamaica. So, Mr. Spencer, right here, a.k.a. Papi Dread, slapway by the boy there. Let's move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. I'm going to break it down. This dude here, short man, Ainsley Woodburn, is a scammer from Mobile. Cambridge here, in a St. James. He not come from Mobile. I know how the Mobile man them stay. He's not from Mobile. Come from Belfront. And he must scam with some youth. The youth them, him not pay them. And the youth them all on a piece of food for him. A 5-pack, Yui. Now, after that, him go crazy and start slap with the people them. It's end up that theme father get slapped with. And after that, him go even more double crazy. All of the people them have to run away. Him did their jail. And it's alleged that him pay 15 million Jamaican dollar and escape Saturday we gone. Now, to show you how Jamaica is, we don't even hear it in the news. He should be on Jamaica's most wanted. On the most wanted list, at least in a St. James. Because he's a big time scammer. You hear say him have a big house. I get a picture of him house and them things there. But, yeah, that youth here. Ainsley Woodburn. Dangerous. One of the most cold-blooded youth. Now, me here say, when him slap your youth, the youth, one little girl is there and the man and touch a little girl, dog. And she have to go into the hospital and have surgery for reconstruct her face and all them things. You understand? Him have the whole of Cambridge and the whole of Belfont terrorized. And if you haven't seen it, me no know how for him thing not in the newspaper how the police them and the government now make people know about that boy. Him need to come off of the road. Anybody know where him there? Drop me a line. You understand? No. It's also alleged that the Cambridge police them in a pocket. You understand? So people are afraid for wait name that for say certain things on whatnot. You understand? So, that are the thing I go on right now in a Bellfront, Cambridge area in a St. James, yo. Yo, help we get that boy back in a prison and get him off of the street. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And one more time again, me I tell you now, help we get that boy off of the street. Ainsley Woodburn, aka Sharpman, Countryman, I'm out. No, I said I was gone, but I forgot that this dude right there on the left side of the screen, Ainsley Woodburn, aka Sharpman, this dude right here work with him family them. On the picture on the right, that's his cousin, Brian, and he's a person of interest in the slap with him. And him have two other brother. I don't have them picture. But one of brother named Oral Woodburn and the other one named Gary Woodburn. So, the four of them I terrorized the whole neighborhood. To be fair, I think Oral in a jail. And Gary might be in a jail too. So him two other brother them are some bad brother them in a jail. And that one there, him run away. They're somewhere in a town. A person of interest. So if you see that boy Brian, yo, report him to the police, yo. And that one, yeah. A fiend cousin on the left pay $15 million to the police them in a Jamaica, in a Mobile area. St. James, not Mobile. Mobile man not kill me, please. And Lego. I know the people them out there scared out of them wits. What is going on in Jamaica? Let me say, yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. One more time. I'm Country Boss. Hit your notification button. Countryman, I'm out.